This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. See, we discussed yesterday about what is APN. Before going to APN, like why we have to come to APN, that is we're going to discuss actually. Yesterday we discussed about what is APN career will be there. We discussed that. And first of all, what is APN? What is APN? Because APN is nothing but it is a APN is nothing is language. APN is a language. It's not a language. It is a tool. It is a tool. It's not a language. It is a tool. Okay. What tool it is? How they build? Why they introduce here? APN actually it is a BPM tool. It is a BPM tool. Yesterday we discussed about that. Why should go for BPM tool? Yesterday I told you like if you start any business, what you are expecting. Not only any business, every organization. There mainly three challenges will be there. How to get more profit within the less time. How to give the quality product to the customer within the less time. How to give the good service to the customer. The main three challenges industry is facing. So we are happy whatever how industry applications we can develop all the things by using of Java, .NET, whatever there. But the problem is here. The time is very important. So it's taking time. So then, when it's taking time means the marketing also going delay. Then automatically others will catch your business. Then they'll get profit. So then we are losing business profit because of delay. What I can do nowadays, going very competition will be there. Then IT industry started. Either they did some research, then they're thinking about that. So they found one thing is BPM industry, BPM tool. If you go for BPM tool, okay, I can say that is you go for BPM tool. What is BPM question? I'll tell you that. So they decided to use BPM tools. If you use the BPM tool, I'm going to achieve the main 3 points because your main customer is organization and customers. Organization and clients, product owners. I can say that is product owners. They both are happy, but in the middle, that number of people will be there. Everyone should be happy. That's okay. We need to make him everyone happy, not only 2 members. So when my business will be reached to everyone should be happy. Example, we know that Geo it reached to everyone. That's why he is a number one position, right? So when my business will be reached to everyone, then I will be number one position. Everyone should be happy. Reaching is fine, but after that should be happy. That's very important. How they can happy when we given any easy process, best futures, best benefits. So then they decided their BPM tool, their number of BPM tools are there. What is BPM first of all? Okay, they found BPM tool good. The solution is the BPM tool. Then what is the BPM tool? What is BPM? BPM means is full form business process management. Business process management. It is a tool or language. Again, it is a tool, not language. It is a tool. This tool is used for design and making automation business process in existing and future application. Okay, what is BPM? It is a tool. It is used for to design the application easy. For what? making automation business process in existing and future application. How it will make automatically business process. Anyone is helping here? Yes, they're helping here. Who is helping? BRE is the base tool actually. Generally, there is like a BPM industry released one of the base tool is called Business Rule Engine. All BPM tools industry water is there. The base is the Business Rule Engine. Whatever we have BPM tools, I'll tell you what are there. Industry, there are top BPM tools are there. Pega and Appian, IBM BPM. The three are top. Then there are TIBCO, Salesforce, and Oracle BPM, MuleSoft. The number of BPM tools are there. But all the BPM tools build the base is the business rule engine. What do you mean that? Business rule engine is assigned to tool only. This tool will have their own language. It's called rule language, business rule language. This tool actually built by how they build this tool using by Java. So now here came your main language. So how they build this tool using of Java. So Java is grandfather here. From that they inherited father BRE. From the BRE they inherited BPM. So very simple logic. If you go here, sorry.
Same like inheritance.
Yes, exactly. So shape, the main is BPM tool, is a BPM and BRE. Next, Java. So Java is main for every, whatever the BPM tools are, everything is so. Is grandfather, father, child. So we want to know here, we don't want grandfather. If you want to know grandfather, then why should I come to this all to learn these all things? We'll go for directly to here. It is already available. I don't want this one. Even the business rule engine doesn't understand coding language, means Java language. They have their own language. Their local language will be there. That business rule engine have their local language. That is business rule language. So it will understand only business rules. So what I'm saying that we have ready-made business rules are there. We can say a collection of ready-made business rules or inbuilt business rules or predefined business rules or product business rules. We are calling here business rule engine. So by using of those business rules already is available ready-made is there in the base. That's a business rule engine. Why should I use these rules? These rules for to design any BPM application, any BPMs industry, whatever is there, all application have the business process. Example, we can say that you have the bank, there is account will be there, any bank you have the account is required. If you go for directly in the bank, they will give the account for you. There is a process will be there. You need to go for step by step. Otherwise, if you go for directly bank, they will give the account. No, there is a process step by step. That's one thing. If you want to attend any interview, there is a process, right? For every action, for every work, we have process is there. We need to follow that. So what is the process? Is a business process. Then application will have is a single business. There are number of business process flows are there, number of business functions are there. So application is nothing but a collection of business services where we can declare number of business services inside the application. That's called application. So every application, whatever you talk, Gmail, as a Facebook, anything, for every application will have, every application is a BPM application only. Industry all application has a BPM application only. So now to design those application without writing of any code, we have already ready-made inbuilt rules. Business rules are there by using. So from the BRE tool, all it is available here. I don't want again declare somewhere else. If you declare, there's a duplicate. You are say wasting of your time, and there are a lot of maintenance. You have to think it. If you're declaring duplicates many times, means it is occupying more space in the back. Your memory size is very important. So declare once, reuse multiple. So that concept you can call is inheritance concept. Okay, that concept you can call inheritance concept. So I want to know now from next 30 days course, what you know that what is there in the parent? What is there in the parent? First target, second target. Our target second is what? Why should I know this is a parent? To define your child application. To design child application, first I have to know what is there pair inside the parent tool, inside the parent application. Once you know that using of a parent, how we can design the child application, that is the second goal, second agenda. So we don't want grandfather here. So what are the rules are available inside the BRE? So by using of those business rules, I'm going to call inside your BPM application and designing and making for what? To generate automation business process. Any complex business process, I want make a easy process that will be done by the BRE tool. This structure we can call APN. It's not only APN, it's not only Pega, MuleSoft won't come. Mainly here IBM BPM. Three things will come here. The three things, the main parts is the, but the differences will be there like futures. So main is APN. How we can say that APN and like everything, all BPM in the tools are there. The base is BRE. BRE means we have inbuilt rules are there. What are there? We have to know that. Once you know that, using of those, how we can design the application that will happen. This called, both will be supporting inheritance concept. This is the structure of the your APN tool. So this is what is BPM, what is BRE. What is BPM? BPM is a business process management tool. It is used for to make automation business process. How it will make with help of the BRE tool. How BRE tool is a business rule engine. It is a base tool. It is built by the Java, but it doesn't understand coding language. Don't think it then it is required prerequisites. Not required, because I'm not using coding language here. Even you know that I'll tell you is APN doesn't understand that language. We have that say language. That is I'll talk to later, not now. So it will complete will understand the business rule language. So we have ready-made business. By using of this, I'm going to design your any BPM application or customized application. Means customized is nothing but whatever developed by you, that is called customized application. This structure we can call APN tool. This is theoretical part. I'll show you the proof also. Practical when you start, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday I will start the practical, right? That time I can show you that whatever I'm telling you, every statement I can show as a practical, is not a theoretical part. Okay, that is about what is a PN tool and BPM and BRE. Okay, good. But industry, as is saying that is Pega is there, IBM BPM is there, TIPCO is there. Our competition number of people are there. It's not only single tool. And Salesforce is there. Oracle BPM is there. Newzen BPM is there. There are number of tools are there in industry. Stop is the threes. Okay. Why you saying stop? As you're saying that by using of any BPM tool, I'm going to getting of good profit within the less time, no doubt, and providing quality product to the customer within the less time, and giving of good service to the customer. Three is common feature for everywhere. Then why again is saying that is a top? Is there any special features here? Yes, special feature almost equal Pega and Appian, but the cost oriented Pega is per month per user we need to pay $90, but for Appian we need to pay the $75 for the per user per month. That is difference. Why? There are like a few things will be there. You need to add extra in the Pega. So both are the top actually right now industry. These are both are the top in the industry. Then again it is reaching the IBM BPM. You can call Lombardi BPM also. That's called IBM BPM. You can call another name that's called Lombardi BPM also. You can call it. Fine. Anyhow, why is tops? Why other not top? What are the special features are there? Appian tool. I want to know that apart from three. Okay, good. I'll tell you one by one. Because the top three is only top people will be happy. In the middle, there number of people will be there. How the product will come, how the application will come to the final. These are source and destination, right? Source and destination will be number of and in the number of centers will be the number of centers are there. We need to all the people will be roles. So number of roles we can call in our tech IT technology level. Number of roles will be there. It's not only main roles, right? We have number of roles. Every project will have different roles will be there. Is a BA business architect will be there. Project manager will be there. Solution architect, technical architect and lead architect, then senior developer, junior developer, tester, administrators, finally users, end user. So I want to see middle these many people are there. So everyone should be happy by using of this product. So what are the special features are there for everyone? So is there any, so instead of doing of everything by manual, I want make him everything is easy process means automation process. How you feel happy, how you feel easy when it is making by the system, then just you can see that. Then I'm very happy that. So that what are the special features are available for everyone? I will discuss one by one here. The Appian tool will support, there is no any specific operating system, there isn't any specific database here. It will support any database, it will support any operating system. That's why we can say that it is a independent platform tool. It is a, sorry, it is an independent platform tool. Okay, it is an independent platform tool means it will support any operating system, it will support any database. Second point, Appian tool will support to design any domain application. You know, few industry there are some few tools are there only the specific domain purpose. Domain means all applications will have some based on the services. They divided categories. That is a banking category, insurance category. So you can call banking domain. You can call insurance domain, healthcare domain, telecom domain, education domain, automobile domain. So we can call number of things will be there. So it will be there any specific domain. For example, have you heard or not? I don't know idea. Blockchain will be there. This blockchain is only for banking domain. But coming to Appian tool, it will be support for all domain applications. All domain applications it will be support to design for all domain application. No specific domain for that. I'm ready for any domain. I am ready for any domain. Okay. Then again they're saying that is there any specific so domain application? There are a number of applications are there, right? Different types of applications are available. What do you mean different types of? Desktop application, it is a local application, right? I can use only in my system. That's called desktop application. And web application, mobile application, tablet application. These are types of applications are available for every application, right? There is that. So web application means I can log in anywhere. Right now, regular you're using Gmail, Facebook, all banking, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, World Bank, Bank of America, anything, or health insurance, different domain, telecom. So there is no specific domain, specific place. I can log in from anywhere. That is called enterprise. We can say web application. So local application is a standalone application. Then mobile application, when I have the application standalone or more web application, definitely mobile application we can create it also easy, and tablet application. But one thing I want, already the first statement I given here, I need to get more profit within the less time. That's very important, right? When I have business, I need to establish the worldwide. It's not specific location. Okay, the specific location we can do the marketing and get the some profit, but our aim is we need to get more profit. When? So if you put some restriction, then difficult. So what I need to establish maybe in the worldwide. How you can establish? So generally people will prefer web application. It's not only Appian, I'm talking any things also, any other applications. I'm just telling that. I want to establish my business worldwide. How it is possible using of web application. Then automatically get the more users, then I can get the more profit. So, but I'm ready to support any application. But I'm just telling that as you're concerned to get more profit, it's better go for the web application. When you have web application, definitely I can connect as a mobile application, no doubt on that. This is called mobile app. So it will support any application. It will yesterday I remember that is Abhishek is there or not. I didn't see that on attendance. He's asking me I am the different domain. So am I challenge? I'm going to say now. Every okay to take this. Every application will have there is common ports will be there. It's not only I'm talking APN or any other BPM to applications or anything. You talk any application. You generally are regular using Gmail. If you want now also to launch to join my meeting, you use to go to meeting, right? That is there in Gmail. So you have to open. How you open Gmail? That's called front end. You just open the Gmail application login page and you enter the credentials and you went inside, then open this is completely these our we are the users. I'm the user for the user Gmail application. So when I log in that something backend is going some logic, then it is opening the my account, then they can see that. So the three parts will be there for every application, that is front end, middle, back end. Front end, middle, back end. What is purpose of back end? To store your data permanently. I want some place that's called database layer. How you can store it? How you can store it? Your data, you know that I want some tables are required. For the creating of tables, what you'll use here? We should know some database languages, SQL, Oracle, whatever, right? But I'm coming to here in Appian tool. This is a standard statement if you note it also. I'm not saying that without writing of code. My statement is without knowing any database language. Okay, what I'm saying that I think already people know here. Few of the people are working is I think Rajesh Channa and Priyanka. Some of the people are working here. I mean, working in the sense of supporting whatever. I think already they know that without knowing any database languages, Without knowing any database languages, I will design the best database layer structure for your application, for your own application. How? For that, we have ready-made rules are there. We can call rules or we can call objects. Here we can call rules or we can call objects. So we have ready-made objects will be there. By using of those database objects, I'm going to design the best database layer structure, means table creations. Everything I can do that. Then coming to point business logic, it is a heart for every application, right? It is a heart for every application where we can write the business logic. Based on the business logic only, here and here both will happen, some actions. So it is a heart, is completely technical. So how we can write the business logic layer, middle layer? We should use some Java, .NET. We have interested different languages will be there. Even only the specific middle layers also tools are there. Example of SAP. SAP also one of the BPM tools, but it will be only middle layer. So, but we have anyhow, finally there's some different, but what I'm saying, we should know some coding language to write this logic. But if we commit your Appian tool without knowing any middle layer languages, I will design the best, I will construct the best business logic layer for your application. Coming to presentation layer, front end layer, because I'm the user, I'm a non-technical person. If you show them directly, business logic is completely technical. I'm not able to understand that. So I need to give the understandable format, what is going the back end, right? So what I can do further, they introduce here presentation layer, front end. To design presentation layer or front end layer or view layer in industry, there are number of languages are available. You know, UI layer technologies, right? There are like HTML, JavaScript, Angular, .NET, number of languages are there. These are the main things actually. But those all I don't know. Even I don't know. So without knowing any front-end languages, I will design the best presentation layer with good styles, with good format, with good markup. I can say that for your application. How? For all the things I have ready-made objects, APN objects or APN rules. We have inbuilt rules or inbuilt objects are available. By using of those, what is the source here? I'm saying always here, to develop everything we are using source is coding. But coming to the Appian tool, I'm just saying that always no coding, no code. But what is the source to develop all the things? Objects, or you can say rules. You can say business rules, or you can say business objects. We have that ready-made. By using those business objects, I'm going to develop your entire core application. Core application means the three parts. Without any part, there is no application in industry. If you want, you can check it. Every apply, if that is optional, how you can optional, you can think it. This is the for us, we are the users. I have to know what is going. There where you can add this logic, this mandatory. I want to store information, database is also mandatory. No, there is no any optional. 3 is mandatory option. For 3 rooms are mandatory for your application. This is a single application, core application. To design the core application, I'm going to using coding here. No coding. That's why I'm saying, sir, sorry. We are using no coding. Generally, if you want to design the end-to-end application, we need to write a lot of customized code if you go for any other languages. But here, no coding. Okay. You got it now? Someone is there, Abhishek. Yesterday you asked me that, so I'm coming to industry. I'm not using coding, then why you're thinking about that? If I'm using any coding here, then you have to think about that. Am I correct? Next point, fifth, quick development. What do you mean that quick development? So we can do quick development. Why? This application right now, every in not only Appian, every all the industry application have three-tier structure. Three-tier is nothing but presentation layer, business logic layer, database layer. They divided three parts. In previous days, there's two-tier structure. Two-tier structure means presentation layer, business logic, both are combined. Only the separate here. So what happened? When you do changes in the business logic layer, it will impact presentation because both are tightly coupled structure. Two things is a tightly coupled structure, loosely coupled structure. Loosely is nothing but they divided separately every part. Tightly means is a combined. So when this kind of feature, when you do change, it will impact others. So what I can do, I won't divide. So now the same rule is applied for your APN application also. There is like loosely coupled structure. Number of peoples will be work at a time parallelly. Then I can finish your work. I can finish your product soon. Then I can say that it will support quick development. So even it will support parallel development also. By using a parallel development feature, like at a time a number of developers involved, they will finish their work fast. Then I can deliver your work within the short time. So that's why I can say that is a quick development using of loosely coupled structure, or you can say parallel development. Usually parallel development. I sorry. So using parallel development. Okay. Is a single application. Is a single application. You know industry. You're saying that single application, core application, we are not using any coding, fine. But your single application is handling all kind of services. Example, you can take it. You need to book the seat. Maybe you are traveling somewhere to some place. You have to book the seat. You will open maybe bus or IRCTC or some flight. You have to open the any website. You need to book it, right? Seat. So where you will book the seat in travel domain application. Good. But you book the seat. But where you can pay the money? The travel domain application is taking services for the payment. Where? From the banking. We have to do payment in the banking application and come back once it done successfully, can inform to the travel domain application. Then they will reserve seat. So this is the generally will happen between these two different domain applications. Is a travel domain, is a banking domain. The same thing, check it everywhere. You are using regular Amazon application or using Gmail application. You'll be connecting Facebook to LinkedIn. Everything will be connecting. So what I'm saying that industry, every application will be depending on some other application because whatever is required some services, they're not declaring everything inside the single application. If putting in the single application, what will happen? Load performance, the load will impact. You're putting everything inside that, what will happen if you keep everything is more heavy work on the single application, single platform? Then it will impact application performance due to this load. What I can do, that's one thing. Second thing is already the services available from other application. Why should not use that one? I can pay the money. I can pay the money from the right. I can pay the money. The paying money means definitely when you do the any transactions, they do the chargeable. So they're taking money from us of our packet only. Okay. So I want to connect to different applications. So industry like this, every application is depends on other applications. So how they're connected to different a domain application to different application should be same domain and different domain. Industry they're calling one of the great features called integration features. Very important. Without that, there is no application. Whatever is connecting of different application, connecting of different server, connecting of a different database. It should be anything. It should be anything. Okay. Integration is very important. Without that, there is no application. I think there is, I told you one of the thing is MuleSoft. They introduce only for the integration, but I can handle end to end. Why should you specific only for the particular functionality, industry, whatever how the business requirement? I'm ready to take it. That is Appian. That is Appian tool. So integration feature for doing off to connecting off to different applications. First, once you connected, once you given the route between the two application, I need to transfer the data between two applications. Sending request, getting response will happen there. So for this, we industry they introduce one of the language web services. There is SOAP and REST. For that,
Sorry, Madhav, to interrupt you in between. When you are
yeah.
saying that integration between two applications, so that you mean by that whenever a request is coming for a traveling domain, then for a payment prospect, it will transfer to the banking domain. Am I right?
Banking domain. Yes.
So it is
Correct.
basically
Exactly.
the request has been transferring from a one domain to another domain
To the
instead
banking,
of from one
yes,
application to
banking
the another
services.
application.
Exactly. We're taking some bank payment service from banking application. Once you've done the payment successfully, banking application sending the response to you, travel domain, then they will they will book the seat for you. Until that, they will be hold it.
Okay, so I just wanted to know that the request is calling the services or the specific domain or the application actually. The
I mean,
request is
sorry,
going
sorry,
from
repeat
where
again.
to? I just wanted to know that the request has been going from a one application to another application or a one domain to
Yeah,
another
we,
domain.
domain means, see, what do you mean? See, travel, the front end where you're booking is different. Domain means, okay, you're coming there's two applications only, but the two applications, there's like a back end application where you have done the payment is application, ICICI Bank application. But what category the application you can call is a banking domain. That is my meaning that.
No, actually, Madhav, I got your point, but I just wanted to clarify it this.
No, you are
So
clarifying,
the
you're saying that the request is going to domain or application. What do you mean domain and
yeah,
application? Both the same one, right?
both are the same. Yeah, okay, got it.
Both are
I got
same
your
here.
point.
Both are, you can just like both are same. Domain
Okay,
means application. Application means project. Whatever you can say, you can use any terminology.
okay. Yeah, Madhav,
Okay.
here I have one
Yeah.
more doubt. Like when you are saying that
Hmm.
development with parallel development, I think it's a point number third or
Hmm.
fourth. I don't know. So what do
Okay.
you mean by that?
Repeat again question, please.
Can you just go back to your to slide where you are specifying the yeah in a fifth point you are saying that quick development using parallel development. So what do you mean by
Hmm.
that?
Parallel developments. We all are working in the same in the single project. Sorry, your good name. Uh,
Jafar Madhav.
Jaffer, yeah, sorry, Jaffer. See, I think your job is you are Java developer, right? In your project,
Yeah,
a number of people are there at a time working, right? At a time, we all are working in the, we all are the developing of application, correct? For that, what I have to do, you should not disturb when you and me are doing some coding changes. When I'm doing coding changes, should not impact your changes. Am I correct?
yeah,
So you then if you do the changes, should not impact my changes also. What I'm doing my functionality. What I can do for that? I can divide the parts. I think you have MEC structure, model view controller. I think you have Java person, 3D structure.
yeah.
The same
Mm.
time is like loosely coupled structure. That is called loosely coupled structure. The same thing even APN means what? It is a Java. It's a MEC model structure only. Here also we are divided three parts. Okay, it's not tightly coupled structure. It's not combined any layer. Three rooms separated rooms. There is no any merged or combined. Okay, all of the three are different parts, so that's why it is supporting the loosely coupled structure. Three are there is no any dependence between the three layers. So what will happen? The number of peoples will work at a time. This is like a parallel development. So using of that option, I can do the quick development. I can deliver quickly to my customers. That is meaning of that, Jafar. Got it now?
Yeah, okay. So that yeah, I got.
So, yeah, Madhav, I just want to reconfirm that it means that like you take about four different tasks from the job boards, and four different people would be working on those things, and post completion, it will be interchanging between the same, as these
See,
four
you're
different
talking
people are
about
working on the
merge.
same task.
You're talking that once you done the code, we can merge the code, check-in version control. That is second point. First of all, the base is very important. So how you, that is backup code. You're saying the third-party tool GitHub, but there's a backend, how to maintain the backend, your application source code, how to maintain the backup. But I'm saying that at a time how to do development. I'm not talking about your application source, how you can maintain the backup. You got it?
Okay.
That is your
Yeah.
backup code, check-in, check code, backup code, how to maintain that. But I'm talking about parallel development, how to do that. If you do see, I have one question simple. Me and Jafar and you all are working with three members. Like I just given that some requirement functionality. So
Right.
the three, maybe just assume that presentation layer, business of both are the same layer. They combined. No, now it is a two-text structure. Before it, now it is three-text structure. Mean three parts. They divided separate rooms for your application. Now what happened? Two rooms only is there. One room is presentation layer, business logic will be there. Then next one is third is second room is database layer. Now what happened? I also doing changes in the business logic layer. I mean business logic layer, and Geoffrey is doing the presentation layer. What will happen? It will impact some. Both are the same room. I need whether my changes and Java changes. So for what happened in future, I'm also thinking, even I'm going to adding any new feature in future also, it should not impact any area level. I have to do reusability properly. I have to construct properly. I have to design properly. Should not be any redesign, recode everything. For that, what I can do, I can make it everything separately. Even if you have to impact any other the particular room, it will impact there. I can easily will find work. I can find the problem. I can easily I can fix it. Otherwise, if you combine everything, you need to find in all the areas. So what happened? Industry, not only Appian application, total industry is following right now three-layer structure. This is called three-tier structure. This is called loosely coupled structure. Is a reusability purpose, good architecture purpose, good your application structure purpose. They introduce this architecture. Okay. Got it? Sridhar, someone is asking, right? Yeah, I'm talking about integrations. So for that, we have SOAP and REST. We need to write a lot of custom code here. Oh, already 45. Okay. I'll tell this point, then I'll close it. We need to write a lot of custom code here. But if we come into Appian, without writing of single percentage custom code also, I can connect any external application. That external application will be developed by any software. Don't bother about that. Is it Java, .NET, some whatever. I'm ready to connect it. How? Even any external database, not only application, I told you again, any external database or any external servers, everything I can connect it. How? For that, we have inbuilt business objects are available. Our business rules are there. Those are business integration rules are there. By using this, I'm going to connecting just doing a small configuration. I'm going to connect any external application just doing a small configuration. This is one of the great feature. That's why we are the top. Why is Appian is the top? This is one of the great feature in that's why we are in the top position. There are few more, like a lot of features will be there. Maybe we'll discuss in Monday class. I will put the recording class in the Google Drive. Please download it, watch it, what I told you today. And if you have any question, please note it. And on Monday again, still a few more features. Like total 20 features will be there. The main features. Then when I'm going to topic discussing topic, then other small features I will discuss that time. The main 20 features are there. Remaining features I will discuss in Monday class. If you have any question, please let me know. Monday we'll discuss again also. You have any question from right now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Madhav,
Sir,
it
I
would
have a
be better
question
if
for
you
you.
share PPT or
I'll share
documents.
you. I'll share you. Yeah. I'll share you everything. Okay. This is first class. I'll share all
Yeah,
documents,
sure.
everything. Okay. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a
So it's
question
let's
for
say
Hi,
you.
Madhav.
yes. Yes, Priyanka.
Yeah, Madhav Priyanka. Yeah, yeah. Actually, I went through that.
Sir, you said about
Uh,
interview proxy document. Now, how much it will charge for that?
Boss, will talk one to one, please. Those things. Okay. We'll talk to
yeah,
one to one.
Madhav.
Okay. Na?
Actually, I went through the
Yes,
documents
Priyanka.
you shared over the mail. So, like, I went through the topics you will be covering on the daily basis. So, like, I was asking, web API is not there.
Which one? Which one is not there?
Uh, web API concept.
Madam, integration is there, right? Integration is there, right? That meaning what?
And so, like,
Integration only
for
there. Web
connected.
API and integration object connected. Three things will be there in inside the integration only, right?
Okay, okay.
I'm seeing subtopic is not required, right? Integration topic is there means it's this subtopics. Okay, no? Well, this is a main topic. Yes, this
Okay.
you are talking. This integration means there's inside three objects will be there's called connected system, integration object, and web API. Using of those things only, I'm going to do that. Otherwise, what is there without the topic? What I can discuss? Integration topic. Okay, it's subtopics. We will
Okay.
cover that.
Okay.
You don't worry, Priyanka. If you miss also, I won't miss you. Don't worry. Okay, that's my responsibility. Already I told you that.
Mm.
Okay, guys. Have client meeting is 9 o'clock. I have to ready. Thank you, and we'll meet on Monday at the same meeting. Everything. I think someone is asking about proxy interview. How we can chart that. We'll talk one to one. Okay. Thank you for that.
Thank you.